Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create yourself the Gossip Girl video trend on TikTok. So you can turn yourself into one of the Gossip Girls. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So to create this video trend, you need TikTok and you need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available in your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once that is downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here you're searching for Gossip Girl filter. Tap on it. Now within the search results, you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend. So both of these are doing the trend. And this one here. So go ahead and tap on those videos that are doing the trend. Now within those videos, you're looking for this button here, CapCut, try this template. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will now show you the template which you're going to use. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Now this will open up CapCut. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and select a photo of yourself. And then tap on Next. Now this will create the video for you. I will make you look like one of the Gossip Girls. And there you go. Now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Add Sound in TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now since we've used a template, the sound is already included. So all you need to do is add your text, stickers, and effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create the Gossip Girl trend videos on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.